What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Chime passwords. If you're wondering about how to reset your Chime password, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. Now the first method of course is to reset your password through Chime mobile app. First you want to do is to open the Chime app on your mobile device, then tap login and then forgot password, and you want to enter your email address or account number, phone number associated with your Chime account. Then you want to tap send code to receive a verification code. Now you gotta enter the verification code and create a new password. Then confirm your new password and tap reset password. Just like that, the first step is done. Now the second method of course is to reset that password through the Chime website. So first you want to do here is to log into the Chime website. Click login, then you gotta click forgot password and enter your email address or phone number. Click send code to receive a verification. Now you gotta enter the verification code and create a new password. Then confirm your new password and click reset password. That's it, it's done. Now the third method, in case the other two fail for some reason, you can also reset password through Chime customer support. What you want to do is to call the Chime customer support. The number is right there, and then you just want to follow the prompts to speak with the representative. They will help you to sort that out. So those are the three methods I got for you guys, and that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found it useful, then please like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you